What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to change out an air filter on a 2012 Lexus CT200h. This job is fairly simple and only requires one tool, which is a 10mm socket or wrench. Start by locating the air box, which is in the front of the car smack dab in the middle. Unplug the MAF sensor and route it out of your way. Release the two retaining tabs that hold the bottom of the air box to the top of the air box by pushing to the side. Take your 10mm socket or wrench and loosen the hose clamp that holds down the air intake tube to the air box. Find and locate the coolant hose at the bottom of the air box and unclip it from the air box cover and push that out of your way. Once everything's off, firmly grasp one of the upper corners, pull towards you, pull up, then slide out, releasing it from the intake tube. Remove your old air filter and throw that sucker away. Grab your new air filter and drop that sucker in. Reinstall the air box cover onto the air intake tube. Keep in mind the filter has to be sitting flush at the bottom of the box to install properly. Once installed onto the air tube, go down and make your way to the bottom of the air box and make sure those tabs are lined up with the holes and slide it down. Once you have the air box cover on, reinstall the retaining tabs at both top corners. If you have to force the cover down, recheck everything to make sure it's sitting properly. Lastly, tighten down the hose clamp with your 10mm socket or wrench, then plug in the MAF sensor till you hear a click. Congratulations, guys, you now know how to change out an air filter on a 2012 Lexus CT200h. If you guys liked this video or found it informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.